guys, so here is my palette. Here's how the palette looks, but it goes so well with my background. The Jackie Aina eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette, honey. All right, so this is like my first time opening it for real. And this, by the way, this is my first ever Anastasia palette. Oh, this is gorgeous, guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, don't let nothing be broken, Jesus. Okay. Okay. So it comes with a brush. I don't know, I've never had an Anastasia palette, so it comes with a brush. So there's 14 colors. I can't really put this palette into one category. It's giving me, I don't know, it's like, it's giving me fall and summer in one palette. These iridescent colors are really it. This color right here, Sponsored, reminds me of that pigment that MAC has. Y'all know what pigment I'm talking about, but golly. I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet, but yeah, let's get right into this palette. I'm not gonna do any swatches or anything because y'all want to see what the eyeshadow looks like on my face, you know. Whew, y'all. Okay, so let me prime my eyes. I'm gonna take my Urban Decay primer potion, per usual. My number one fear in life is not being in focus. All right. If you say you never see me use this, you will lie. That's all I use. I do want to try that P. Louise base that everybody and their mom is using, but ain't no but. I just haven't gotten it. Lazy girl, yeah, that's me. I'm gonna take my Real Techniques buffing brush. Right in. I'm excited to try these because she says they are formulated for darker skin tones. So I am hyped. That's one thing you can't knock Jackie for. She really looks out for Black women. She looks out for dark skinned women. Do y'all know, like, there was times not too long ago that you could not find like dark like shades of foundation, of concealer. Like brands was making like 3-4 concealers not too long ago. Like when people say, oh, why is she always speaking about black issues? Because she want to, and because it's her platform and she's a Black woman. She has the platform. And if y'all makeup companies would have made colors that make sense for us in the first place, no one would have to speak on it. Y'all, I really don't know what to do, and I'm so scared because I don't want to do anything that's not good. Like, I have to do this justice. I'm just going with the flow at this point. I think I'm going to take this color called Supreme. It's like a pinky color. I didn't expect for there to be like a pink in here. I don't know. But oh wow. Yeah, that's good, y'all. That is good. I'm gonna take the color Pinker. I'm making this up because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. And this is a Bedazzling Tools 776. The pigment on this stuff is out of this world. Wow. Wow, I am so impressed. I did not expect to be this impressed, y'all. Child, these colors pop up like this on our skin tone. Child, lighter skin is gonna have a ball with these. Alright, so I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna use a mixture of my Urban Decay and my LA Girl concealer to do so. What I'm gonna do is take the purple color, Big Wig cut crease, give it a little purple zhuzh. Ooh, wow, that's what you call pigment. That's what we're working with here. I'm gonna take this very shimmery, gorgeous red color, extremely pigmented, like, whew. Like, these are without wetting the shadows. This is just one pass. Jackie did that. I believe. I'm gonna take Soleil. That's French for sun, if you did not know. And again, these colors don't need to be wet. That's insane. Like, that's one pass. I'm just adding a little bit of Trust Issues, that really light color, but it's just like a gold, to be honest. Just right here, and that is the look. I'm going into a wing with the NYX matte eyeliner. Boom. For my under eye, I'm just taking Big Wig, the purple. For eyelashes, I'm gonna wear these premium 100% link lashes. I don't know, girl, they're from the Beauty Supply. The style is M364. I use the dual lash adhesive. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Yeah, after the struggle, I finally got it. I actually forgot to put on mascara, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my roller lash real quick. That took so long. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely really like this palette. The colors are so pigmented. Like when she said it's formulated for black dark skin, she meant that. Like, one pass, super pigmented, blendable. Yeah, it's not a game. It's not a game. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know how you feel about this palette, if you got it and stuff. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Sun shining, I'ma shine on. Young nigga, get your grind on. Gotta keep the fight going. Meditate, get your mind on. Keep the lights on when you beat the odds. It's a milestone. Sun shining, I'ma shine on. Young nigga, get your grind on. Gotta keep the fight.